हेलो, माय नेम इज़ प्रणय भट्ट एंड मेरे हिसाब से लगता है कि हेड गर्ल में तो ऑलवेज ओजस्वी भट्ट, बट कॉम्पिटिटर है बहुत सारे उनके। एग्जाम्पल 3-3 2-2 कॉम्पिटिटर है। एग्जाम्पल देना जाए तो ओजस्वी भट्ट ही है।
ओके, थैंक यू। Sir, as an election commissioner, sir, what's your opinion regarding elections which are held in our school?
So for this year also we are doing this election. For this third time in this school, I am doing this activity in consecutively for the third time. I am being the election commissioner, chief election commissioner. For this time also we are doing broadcasting on electronic mode. So EVMs we have introduced. Earlier we are using ballot papers and ballot boxes, but this time also we are using EVMs. So it will be save some papers also.
Yes.
And it will be a nice experience for the students, as they are going to be grown up, and after completing their 18 age they will be also eligible for casting the vote in general elections. So this will be a nice experience for them also.
And this is the first time in our school this is happening in electronic voting system. Okay, thank you. Okay, sir.
I am very excited. Election in my school, I am very happy. Today we will be happy because vote for students.
Why you are all standing here? Oh, amazing. Have you decided whom to vote?
Yes, I am decided.
So, what's your opinion regarding head girl? Who will you vote?
Tanushree Didi.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, as a principal of our school, what is your opinion that our school is going to conduct an election through EVM second time? So what are the message you want to share with teachers and students?
Well, good morning everyone. This is for the purpose of teaching the proper democratic values in our school. Of course, we have done it last year as an experiment and it was a huge success. So to teach the democratic values, we need to teach exactly as it is. A to Z things we have to teach to the students. That is the reason we are following the exact method of election in our school, including EVM, including the ballot paper, including the secret ballot. We are following, and we are using the EVM for one purpose, that paperless voting. So we can save the paper, and it's a part of message to the environment. That's all. Thank you.
opinion about the winning candidate as a head girl?
Karishma Patidar will win as a head girl candidate.
What qualities did you find in her?
She is capable for this post because she is too confident and she has some leadership qualities.
Are you sure about your candidate?
Yes, I am sure.
Thank you. Presiding officer, what is your feeling?
Really, I'm so excited, that all the waters are there here. Each and every student, so much of exciting and anxiety to cast their vote. They elect for, that this is a good experience for them. Really. Very well. See the faces of the waters, we can understand that. They are feeling so much of happy to select a head boy, head girl, and all this one because they must get some experience. Because everyone should know about this one, elections. What is the importance of casting their vote? Being a citizen. This is their right.
Your opinion regarding election in our school holding with EVMs?
This year, last year also we have conducted the election through EVMs because in order to save the environment, save the paper. We know that nowadays so much of environment is not good. Okay, so we should not cut the trees. So in order to save the environment, we have used this. And I am very much sure that the students are also excited to vote for this election. Thank you very much.
दोनों रिकॉर्ड
feeling very grateful to select as a candidate.
I feel also great as for candidate.
To vote from the EVM. As a new student, how do you feel to vote from EVM?
It's my first time and I feel happy to vote and grateful.
Okay, thank you. Sir, how do you feel to vote in our school for the first time or for the second time through EVMs?
Actually, I have first congratulate all the candidates who are participating in the election, and this is the experience our school giving to our students after 18 years or after 12th. They will vote for the first time for the nation. So how they build and how they choose our nation's candidates for the nation, and they will learn here only.
Thank you very much.